Oh, what's in here? 1/8 pipe tap. That's what it says. 1/8 pipe tap. I'm telling you right now, that is not an eighth. Where did I put that? Yeah, that's going down here. Not there. Here. Going here. Okay. Oh, I missed this. What do we got here? Tap die. It says 8-30 tap and die. Okay, where's the tap at? Is that the box for it? Yeah, it must have came open. Oh well. Do you know? Just stock? I have no idea. Just I don't. Some more stuff. Just miscellaneous stuff in here, like there was in that machinist box. Stuff I have no idea what you would use any of it for. I mean, homemade stuff, so apparently he had a reason for it. Some plugs, a couple plugs, see, stuff that I don't need. This, I don't know what this is either. This is the number 1. You can tell just by looking at it. So that's what I was trying to think of, is that fit in here. Let's see, it fits in there. And it locks, right? That locking right into that. That's what I think that is. That is a number 1. And that this is an adapter. And this looks beat up and ruined. So what it is. Alright, let's get into this. What's in here? It says 1/2 inch 3-flute core, some Rand tool supply, 1/2 inch drill, $19.99. 3-flute core. Yeah, if I could get the damn thing open. Okay, I can't get that one open right now. Play with that later. Here it says a reamer, 5/8 reamer. Is that what it actually is? It is. Decent. Decent. What do we got here? This says special boring bar for keyway broaching and drill press back facing and bits. Okay. So, to me, that makes no sense to me. I don't know what the hell he's talking about, but to him, he wrote it. He knows exactly what it is. That just fell out of there. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it. That goes in there. You tighten those up, and now, well, I think I got it in wrong, but there we go, like so. Clamp it down. Now you have a boring bar. So this says a special boring bar for keyway broaching. And drill press back facing and bits. Really, I'm unsure of that. I don't know what he's talking about. What do we got in the baggie? Come on, gotta open it. What is it? Do you know what that is? I don't. Goes all together though. Okay, one all being the same thing. There's a spring in there. It looks broken. I think looks broken here. this one on here somewhere, and I don't know. You got me, man. You got me. I don't know what it is. It was made in China. Says so right there. No. You know what this is? Let me know. There's a hole here. It looks like a bearing there. Right? Yeah, a bearing there. And a bunch of, I don't know. I have no idea what that is. Only that guy knew what it was. And hopefully maybe one of you know what it is, so you can tell me what it is and what it's used for. And then we got this thing here. Like plastic, acrylic. I don't know. What else does he got in here? Another plug. The die. I just saw one of these this morning, actually. Watching the YouTube guy make some tool clamps. He was using one of these split things, split dies. To me, I would have thought that was broke, but I actually saw, and he explained that. And now we have some more. This looks like another deburring thing. Some more, I don't know. I'm just going to call it stock because I don't know what it actually is. Let's get some more stuff hidden up in here. Another plug. And here's something else too. I don't know what the heck that is. Only that guy knows. Yeah, a lot of plugs in here. I don't know why. .9/16 tap plug. Yeah, that's nice, right? Do you think? I think. about these plugs here. They're definitely not going to stay in here. Oh, yeah, what was this? It looks like a collet of some sort. What do you think? Had it in here for some reason. Yeah, old medicine jars. They are fucking. They are great for stuff like this. Now, let me see if I can get this thing open. So, I'll be back in a second here. It is going to come open one way or the other. It is. There we go. Now, he says, a 3-foot core, number 2, taper, and, oh, okay. Flute core. Okay. No, I've got something like this. Where the hell I put it, I don't know, but it's a great big thing. I never knew what it was called. Okay. Here we have some old matches with some information. So this is an old match box. Some phone numbers, you know. It's a neat little picture of a car. Okay. I missed this baby. What's in this baby? I don't know what these are. They don't unscrew or anything. I don't know what they are. So they'll just... I'm not going to throw them away, but they're just going to take up space in here. Until I find out what the heck they are. And that's why you guys are going to tell me what they are. It kind of, you know, wasn't. Okay. Brush, need that brush. That brush needs to be stay in the top drawer. I am going to rearrange this toolbox and put stuff in here. I'm guessing the reason I'm not seeing like a thread, a pitch gauge and stuff like that is he probably had a machinist toolbox and all that stuff is in there. Okay. Some note paper. Right, I know why he's got that in here. That's obvious. Bunch of note paper. You know, for drawings and stuff. That's exactly what that stuff is doing in here. On the top drawer, even. What's this? The Hirsch Company. Customer research. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need that. Let's see what we got. Wisconsin Steel and Tube Company. Small bearing. Yeah, I don't know. Put this paper stuff up here. For now. That's underneath it. What's this? Oh, Dick. We're going to save that for a minute. We are going to save that for a minute. That is in a wooden box. Bunch of paper. More paper. Drawing paper.
Ricky,
What?
which one?
Okay. I'm being called upon to, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm sure you're getting bored anyway. Pause. Okay. Sorry for the interruption, but I had to go in and eat dinner. And then I got caught up in a movie. So let's see what's in this secret box. Oh, let's see. It looks like, I don't know. What do you think? Geez. They're not washers, I know that. I'm not sure, but here's some felt. I'm guessing for oiling. Probably go on the bottom of, I don't know. So really, oops, really not too much. A button, something. Yeah, it's a bunch of not really washers, but I don't know what you want to call them. Some felt, some felt, some not felt. Looks like some brass, some, I don't know, fiber. So, I guess nothing really important in that. I'll just put that there for now. Alright, so we're down to the last thing, I guess, and that's whatever is in that wooden box. I'm very curious. I'm very curious what's in this box. Doesn't say anything. Okay, 5 pieces, indexable carbide turning tool set, 1/4 inch. I want you to get a look at it because I don't even know what that is. What this is. Let's see. These are wrenches. A T6. 2 of them. I think. My glasses aren't strong enough. I can't read it. Yeah. T6, some torque wrenches, some screws, which I'm guessing go to that. So what is underneath here? Oh, dick. Okay. Alright. I'm not taking them out, but that's what they are. More cutting stuff. Brand new. Brand new. Well, that's cool. And my friend that I bought this from has lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of these. So that's cool. But honestly, I don't know why this guy even got these. You know, way in the back. I mean, you saw how many cuttings tooling he had. I mean, that I have now. I mean, saw the cutters. It's just unbelievable. I have so many. I will never need to buy any more. Honestly, I mean, I have all these, right? You seen them all. I have all these. I have all these. You saw all the boring ones, all the borings I have. Boring ones I have. I have new blanks in here. A bunch of blanks here. Let alone what was, you know, what was wherever they were in here, in this box. And all the ones that came with my machinist toolbox that I bought, I'll never have to buy any of those ever again, I don't think. So That's cool. I wish, I really do wish, there was a pitch gauge in here and a knurling tool, but like I said, I don't know if this is what that is, even though it doesn't have a diamond. I have seen knobs that were just like that before, and I swear I don't know what that is, because it's not like this one, so I don't know. But I did not see another wrench except for that one, and now I don't even know, there it is, except for this one, and it does fit in there. It just doesn't seem to be real tight, but it works. Let me separate them a little bit. And I did not see I'm sure this takes a spanner wrench. Oops, you're not even seeing it. I'm sure this takes a spanner wrench. So I don't even know if I'll ever even use that. What else is disappointing is there was no other jaws for this one that I remember. Unless I have to think now. Are these the ones? Because I remember seeing this morning on YouTube on my machinist teacher, I think he said on the 4-jaw you can flip them around. So if you can, that's not a disappointment. I think it's only on the 3-jaw. I think he said just the 3-jaw you can't turn around. You have to buy separate jaws. Here is. Nope, I can't read who made that. But the number of that is 5985. And see, you heard me say that. 5985. I don't know if you can see that. 5985. So I don't know why they're all different. I think he said, but I still don't know why. would think they all would be production. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I told you this did come with something. So this was the. Let me just go here. We'll go here. Well, it was still up at the flea market, tractor show. I went in the drawer and I grabbed this. So this has a Sears and Roebuck company threading supplement. Right? It's just stuff I brought home right away so I could read, and right, it has the threading chart in there, and there's also one in there in the toolbox, a bigger one. Right. That's what I wish it had, was those pitch gauges, but no, it didn't have a fishtail either. Anyway, that's what that's all about. So it came with that. That was nice that it came with that. It came with this. Ready reference. Twist Drill Company, Cleveland. And it has decimal equivalents. Table of cutting speeds. Number size drills. Basic thread dimensions and tap drill sizes. It's a little reference book. American National Pipe Thread. Counter bore sizes. Just some good reference stuff. Right. So that was good to have. And it also came with that. And it's not the one that says Craftsman, it's actually the Atlas one. So I'm sure if you watch some of these lathe videos and stuff, you've seen this. It's like everybody has this book. Okay, and not really specific to this lathe. It's more for the 12-inch, I believe, or the 10-inch and 10 and 12. I don't know, but I've started reading that. And I basically keep this stuff in the house so I can read it. Yeah, that about does it for this movie. So So that's my lathe. So yeah, man, my little machine shop. You know, had the drill press. You know, that was pretty much the start of it. And the the grinder, which I just I just put a wire brush on one end, so I have the grinding wheel and a wire brush. I've got both of those are deltas, the drill press and that, and my soon to be I'm going to convert this thing, so somehow I'm going to convert this thing. You also see a saw there, Black& Decker saw, but that's not what I'm going to show you. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but right there next to the purple stuff, that's a big delta saw. I'm going to convert that somehow to chop metal, make it like a chop saw, but I need to fix the guard. It's all broken, and it's big and it's heavy. I'll just pull it out real quick and I'll give you a little shot of it. I got my power washer in the way. I think you can basically see this thing. Right? So it's a delta also. I mean, that grinder's old. That grinder's pretty old. That drill press is pretty old. And this thing here is pretty old. But yes, I'm gonna make that into a metal thing somehow, some way. I don't know how yet, but you know, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Somehow maybe put a clamp on here or something to hold metal, because I like the fact that, you know, you can turn it to a certain degree, and you know, but this guard's busted up. I got to fix that. Either, you know, some JB weld or something. But it's pretty nice, and it's heavy. It's real heavy. Put it back in there, because it's going to do the same thing. It's going to do the same thing to the little Black & Decker one. Up here, my little Black & Decker one. I don't think you can see it very well, but yeah, this needs. I can't remember. This one tilts like that, so that's why I kind of wanted to use that too. But I just might keep that for wood. And then of course I got the lathe now and the mill now. So I can't get any more machines in here. You know, that's pretty much limited to the machine shop. But I do have a sander downstairs, a belt sander downstairs that I'll probably bring up. And that will probably go in the place of where that Black & Decker saws. I don't remember. I don't know who makes that either. I'll have to look. And of course, you know, I guess files can go into this category. I probably will put files, bring my files over to here. That's why I'm gonna rearrange this thing the way I want it. Thanks for watching the movie. And like I said, if there's anything in there that I didn't, anything that was in there that I didn't know and you know what it is, just timestamp and let me know what it is and what it's used for. So, anyway, I guess that's it. I go now.